Looking for exercises to improve your breathing and endurance? Let the experts at RespiVida show you 3 simple exercises that will strengthen your body and boost your breathing. The first exercise is called Sit to Stand. Sit in a sturdy chair, feet flat. Inhale gently, then exhale slowly as you stand. Inhale again as you return to your seat. Repeat 10 to 15 times to improve your balance, increase endurance, and strengthen the muscles in your legs. The second exercise is seated arm raises. Sit up straight and tall, arms at your sides. Inhale through your nose, then lift both arms up over your head. Exhale slowly as you lower them back to your sides. Do this exercise 10 to 15 times to improve upper body strength and lung muscles. The third exercise is leg raises and are great for improving back, stomach, and lower body endurance and muscle strength. First, find a flat place to lay down on your side. Raise one leg up slowly, inhaling as you lift. Then gently lower it back down while exhaling out. Repeat this for the same leg 5 to 10 times, then roll over to your other side and repeat the process with the other leg. This will help improve blood circulation and stamina in your legs and lower body. That's it. 3 easy exercises to help you breathe better and feel stronger every day. These can be quickly done, so try performing them at least 2 times per day. Drink plenty of water and don't forget to take breaks whenever you need to. Looking for more simple health tips? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We want to help you get started on your journey to breathing easier and living better. Breathe easy, sleep well, and live better. BSL with RespiVida.